Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this quadratic equation x square plus 11x plus 24 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this 11 as I'm going to factor it. So we have to write two numbers such that whose sum is 11 and whose multiplication is equals to the last digit 24. So what can be the number? We know that 8 times 3 is 24 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So we can write this 11x as 8x plus 3x plus 24 is equals to 0. So there is a trick that you can see the coefficient, the middle term, and you can find out the factors. If you want to know the trick, you can comment down. I will make a video on that. So we can write now take x as common, so x plus 8, and if I'll take 3 as common, x plus 8 is equals to 0. Now x plus 8 is common, so x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now these are the two factors. To find out the solution or value of x, put the factor is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 8. Now x plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video.